Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, it's a different kind of video, and it's a very special video for me. This video I'll be doing today, is for my youngest viewer. He watches my channel with his grandmother, and her name is Brenda, and his name is Blake. And Blake, your grandmother told me how you enjoy watching my channel, and I want to thank you for that. And Miss May May really appreciate it. And when she told me what you asked her, do Miss May May know how to fix French fries? I thought that was the cutest thing. And I said, I got to make him a video. Since he watches my channel and he have a request, so you can get your request did also. I put it on my list. Not only did I put it on my list, I moved it to the head of my list because you's one of my youngest viewers, and I'm gonna do something special for you. I'm gonna fix you the way I'm gonna do these fries, Blake. This is the way I did fries for my daughter, who is about 30 years old now. But when she was about your age, 5 years old, she loved fries. She really loved fries. So she ate so many of them, I always baked her fries. I baked them in the oven, and she loved them. And I know when she got older and grown and went out and, because when I take her out to the fast food restaurant, she would, she would have fries, but normally they are fried. But when she got older, and when she got older at home, when she make her fries, she still wanted them baked. So she fell in love with baked fries. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I used to bake fries for my daughter. I started baking them for her when she was probably about 3, 4 years old. I can't remember exactly. And she still, and to this day, this is the way she eat her fries. Okay, I had some cooking spray on my baking sheet, and I spreads my fries out. So, if your grandma want to fix you something like this, she'll probably be glad to fix and bake like Miss May May. This is the way Miss May May fixed it. Miss May May fries her fries sometime for my husband, but when I fix them for my granddaughter and my daughters, I bake the fries. Okay, I put too much up there. But I get them spreaded out in one even layer on my baking sheet, and I have my oven. Now I know you can't do the oven, but you can remember to tell your grandma. I don't know what you call her, grandma, nanny, nana, or what. My granddaughters call me Nana. And sometime for fun, when they was home for Christmas, every time they did something, they kept saying May May. They started calling me May May, and they thought that was so funny, and I thought it was cute too. They started calling me May May because my granddaughters, they enjoy their grandmother having a YouTube channel too. So I got these fries on this, and I got them in one even layer on this baking sheet, and I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 20 or either 25 minutes. At 425 degrees. And Blake, when I get these fries finished, I'm going to come back and I'm going to serve you up a dish, okay? And I got something else special I want to tell you when I come back, okay? I got something else special that I want to tell you. So, okay, Blake, Miss May May get ready to put these in the oven, and I'll be right back. Okay, Blake, Miss May May got your French fries ready for you. If your grandma fix them for you, I hope you enjoy them and like them. Let me tell you a little short story. Read your story was so special to me. Before I tell you what I'm gonna do special for you. When my son was 5 years old or maybe younger, I had this television show that I used to watch a lot, and I really, really enjoyed that show. I watched it for years. And it was not necessarily a show that you think a young child would like. And I don't know, it was the Bob Newhart show. Let me say that. It was the Bob Newhart show. That used to be one of my favorite shows back in the 70s, the late 70s and stuff. And then I watched it even over in syndication. I don't know whether it's still on now or not. But I used to love to watch that show. And my son would sit down and he would watch that show with me. So when your grandmother, when Miss Brenda was telling me how you was watching the cooking show with her, it brought back memories of how my son used to sit down and watch the Bob Newhart show. Mario, I know you said, Mama, you telling that story? Oh, yes, I am. But he used to watch that show with me and laugh, and oh, he just loved that show. And it wasn't a show that did a whole lot of whatever. It was just real. I don't know what kind of comedy that you would call it, but he understood it, and it was really funny to him. But so that's the reason when your grandmama said that you watch my cooking channel with her, it made me think of that little special memory that I had with my son when he was that age. And now my son, I ain't gonna say how old he is, but he almost 50. He's a grown man now, and he loves his mama. He's not gonna get mad out about telling his little story. But anyway, I thought of that, and that's the reason I wanted to do something real special for you. And I want you to know that Miss May really appreciate you watching her channel. And I'm going to tell you something. The Jesus in me love the Jesus in you. I love you. I want to tell you I love you. And I hope you continue to watch my channel. But I know you probably have some other little shows you want to watch. But listen, what I was saying earlier, I had talked to your grandmother. I talked to Miss Brenda and she said it was okay for me to even post this video telling your story. And I told her I want to send you a gift. So you see this shirt that I have on? This is one of the shirts that my daughter-in-law made for me. I want you to have this shirt. I want you to have a shirt like that. So I'm going to send you this shirt. And Miss May baked her fries because I fixed them the way I fixed them for my daughter. But I know you probably like McDonald's fries too, right? All kids like McDonald's fries and McDonald's Happy Meal. So Miss May is going to send you a gift card. So when your grandmother or your parents can take you to McDonald's to get you some fries or whatever else you want to eat with that's going to be a special gift from Miss May. Okay? So I'm going to get ready to hold on just 1 second. I got to check something. Okay, I'm back. I had something on I needed to take care of real quick. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna get ready to end this video. And I thank your grandmother has sent in the information that I need to get your little gift off to you. So give me a break. Don't just wait on it. And the mail takes a while to get stuff to a person from one point to the other. So I'm gonna just know that I will be sending it to you, and tell your mama tell your grandmother if she would send me a picture of you in the t-shirt once you get it. And what else I want to tell you? Yeah, I would just like to have a picture, and she can send it to me email, and so I can just look at it and see it. I hope you enjoy this video that I did for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video, and let me see if Miss May get this here right for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, you too young to subscribe to my channel yet, but you watching it means the world to me. It just means the world to me. My daughter, my son, and my husband and all, they thought that just like me, they thought that was so nice and cute that your grandmother said that you like watching my channel. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video because my timer done went on. So if you have any comments, if you have a comment, just drop it down in the comment box down below. And you guys, I appreciate you watching this video with my younger subscriber. And I will have some more videos coming soon for you to watch for me, Blake. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.